Stuck trying to sign up for Zoho and keep hitting dead ends? Get your account verified in under 3 minutes with this exact sequence. I'll walk you through each step, from opening the site to entering your verification code. Follow along and you'll be done in no time. Start by opening up Zoho's website in your browser. Then go ahead and click on the Sign Up Now button to begin creating your account. First, type in your email address. This will be your login ID. Now enter a strong password, making sure it's something you'll remember. And then add your phone number, which helps with account recovery. Check the box that says, "I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy." It's required to proceed. You'll receive a verification code via email. Type that code into the field provided. Once that's done, click Sign Up for Free to move to the next step. A new code will be sent to your phone. Enter that code as well. Finally, click Verify to complete the sign-up process. Welcome to Zoho. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.